Hello, we are 3 Our topic is nature. My name is Lupita. She is Vianey. She is Marian. She is Fernanda and she is Paula. We will talk about how the world will be like in 50 years' time in the area of nature.
There will be young freeze of glaciers because of the climate change. Climate will change because the garbage we generate.
There will be more pollution due to the increase of toxic. There will be different mutations due to the lack of species.
Global warming. Global warming will continue due to industrial pollution, the greenhouse effect, deforestation, lack of clean energy, and energy fossil fuel production. And earthquake. Earthquake will arise due to the weird resistance.
There will be deforestation due to the increase of the population. There will be more floods because the water will increase at sea level more than normal. There will be more droughts due to the increase of the temperature.
1. Animals will be in extinction by illegal hunting. 2. There will be more new species by animal evolution. Conclusions. Nature is very beautiful. It is just a matter that we care and use that future generation can follow suit and keep it a live archive. Thanks for your attention.